Listen up, gentlemen. Today I'm dropping like this Cheeto Oz knowledge bomb with a little bit of love, because I'm getting 30 in few months. So I thought I will make this video, and today we are talking about 10 things every guy should not do in their 20s. So the first thing I would like to talk with you guys about is stop making excuses. If you are tired of just being fat and ugly, just start training and only be ugly instead. No, I'm joking. So stop making excuses. If you just want to learn something new, if you want to have a good shape, just start to join like a fitness center or a gym or something like that. Start to train at home. If you think it's very expensive to go to the gym or to pay like a monthly fee or something like that, you can always go running or just train at home. There are so many options out there. If you want to learn something new, let's say you want to learn programming or something like that because you think it will help you in your career, you can always learn it online. There are plenty of YouTube videos that will help you achieve what you want. If you want to make some YouTube videos and stuff like that and you don't know how to use a camera, there are plenty of free tutorials on the internet right now that people are creating just for you. You can use them. So if you want to achieve something, just don't make the excuses. You don't say I'm super young, I can't do this or something like that. I can't achieve it because I'm young or because of my education. If you want something, just set a goal and try to achieve it. The second thing I would like to talk with you about is stop blaming your parents. Your parents did whatever they can just to make you happy, just to make you successful, just to make you where you are today. And if you feel angry about something they did to you, just try to forgive them and throw this resentment away from your chest. Try to think positively, because if you didn't do that, you will not move forward in your life. Just stop blaming your parents. Your parents did whatever they can to help you. The third thing you should not do, you should stop eating like crap. And I mean it, guys. Just because you're young and you think you can eat everything, and you think like your metabolism will never stop burning these calories that you eat. And trust me, when you're hitting 30, your metabolism will just give you finger and will tell you just to stop eating this crap. Like eating like pizzas and hamburgers and ketchup and mayo and such stuff every day will result in having like a very, very bad looking body. Just treat your body like a temple. Eat healthy every day. Drink a lot of water and try to eat healthy. Don't eat like fast food, guys. It's very important. The fourth thing I would like to talk with you about is to stop drinking like a slob. Just stop drinking at all if you can. Drinking is not healthy. It's not good for your health, it's not good for your body, and it's not good for your brain. And even someday it will leave you even with negative thoughts and negative, mentality in your head. I mean, it's not good for you, it's not good at all. But don't just be sloppy drunk every time you drink. This is not good for you and for your health. Guys, the fifth thing I would like to talk with you about is stop wasting money. Stop buying stuff you don't need. Stop buying crazy brands that you don't need. Stop buying the new Yeezys and stuff like that, and just save this money. Save it for something bigger. Save it maybe for an investment for the future, or save it even to learn something new. I'm telling you this, I'm hitting 30 and money is freedom. If you have money, you can always have your freedom. If you have enough money to never work again, you have your ultimate freedom. So start small, start saving some money, and maybe in the future you can invest in something and make it something bigger, and then maybe if you would like to buy something expensive, you can do it later. But saving money, it's very important, guys. I wish that somebody told me to save money when I was younger, but now as I know, I tell you guys, save your money. Don't spend it on stuff you don't need. Just buy what you need, and that's it. Save the rest and invest. The sixth thing I would like to talk with you guys about is stop being like a slob. Stop living in a clutter of clothes and stuff hanging around everywhere. This is not good for you and for your mental health. Yeah, I know some say that sloppy people are the most intelligent people and stuff like that. I don't know about these studies, but if your desk is not clean, your desk is sloppy and everything is everywhere, it will take you a lot of time just to get one task done. Just think about it. If you want to wear some clothes and your clothes are just thrown away everywhere. You will be running around the house trying to find your shoes or something like that. If you have everything organized, your thoughts will be organized as well, and this clutter will distract you from achieving whatever you want to achieve in a very short time. It will take a longer time if you are living in a sloppy place and unorganized place. Just trust me on that. The seventh thing I would like to talk with you guys about is stop hanging with losers. I know this may sound terrible, it may sound hard, but trust me on this. If your friends are losers, if they are not going anywhere forward in life, just stop hanging with them. This doesn't mean they are not good friends, and this doesn't mean they are not nice people. They are nice people and everything, but they are losers and they will just hold you from going forward in life. Stop hanging with losers and start hanging with some people who achieve goals, some successful people, and even some older people, just to learn from them. And when you start hanging out with older people, it will help you in improving your communication skill, and it will help you even to use more language, not stuff like da, na, stuff like that, real language. The eighth thing I would like to talk with you guys about is stop talking like a kid and stop cursing. Like we all know, we all have these friends that they are cursing all the time and talking like kids all the time. And if you want to have respect and you want to be respected, you have to like not use cursing words. Just you don't use those stuff all the time. Just try to be on point, try to use real language, and it will help you elevate your communication skills. The ninth thing I would like to talk with you guys about is stop wasting time. Time is very important, guys. If you tell me how you use your time every day, I will tell you where you are going. So if you waste your time every day and you have no clue what you have to do this day in order to achieve your goals, in order to move forward in life, trust me, you will regret it when you are getting older. Time is everything. Time is limited. We only have 24 hours per day. Each one of us have these 24 hours, and if you don't use it wisely, trust me, you will regret it. Gentlemen, last but not least, success will never find you. Success is not searching for you. It's not searching for no one. If you want success, you have to grab it. You have to find it, and you have to achieve it yourself. And you have to make a plan to achieve your goal and to reach whatever you call it success for you, and work toward that. Unless you do that, you will never be successful. So my friends, if you are watching this video, trust me, you're amazing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and see you in the next video.